Wiring of KNX Devices course, as one of our new series for free KNX videos. In this video, we will explain how to wire KNX dimming actuators. Part 4. Note 1. In this video we will use KNX RGB LED dimming controller, as we will need to control a RGB LED strip light. As we discussed in previous video, we should choose the suitable driver or controller based on the kind of lighting we need to adjust it to work properly. In KNX we use KNX dimming actuators as a driver for the lamp to control the dimming function. The used RGB LED dimming controller in this video needs 12 or 24 volt DC to control one of these parameters. For LED spots, as single channel for every lamp, or use 4 channels to control dimming for RGB LED strip, or use 3 channels to control dimming for RGB LED strip, and the 4th channel can be used to control dimming for a single LED lamp. All of these functions can be selected in ETS program. Now we need also to use a power supply to convert from 220V AC to 12V DC. Because the LED spot used in this video is fed by 12 volt DC. In this video, we will control RGB LED strip light, so we will choose this option in ETS program. In this case, the RGB dimming actuator will reserve the first 3 output channels for connecting the wires of RGB LED strip light automatically. The first channel will be connected to the red wire, the second channel will be connected to the green wire, the third channel will be connected to the blue wire. Second note, we will use MCB to protect all electric circuits and smart devices, so the rated current of this used MCB should not exceed the rated current for actuator output channels. Also, the connected loads should be in range of this MCB. Now enjoy watching. See you in the next free videos. Porto KNX. We make learning KNX free, simple, easy and attractive.